How's it going, everyone? I'm Joe Hancock here with MarineMax Venice. Today I am aboard the 220 Dauntless from Boston Whaler. This boat is powered by a 250 horsepower Mercury Verado. In the aft section of this boat too, you also have two jump seats that flip up to give you some extra seating in the rear of the boat. You have fresh water wash down here as well. Super nice when you're coming out of the water. Be able to wash all the salt water off yourself. So we come forward to the helm station of the boat. We have a 12-inch Simrad display, your JL audio controls here, dual seating posts with flip down seats so you can either sit or lean up against it. Got your VH radio over here too. As you come to the bow of the boat, you have an amazing seating area. Something that Boston Whaler does really well is they take full advantage of all the space in the bow of the boat. Rather than leaving it open, they give you more seating. So you have seats at the front, the very front of the boat to sit on, as well as a great little lounger right here as well to fit a couple people while you're running. This boat also has an awesome sunshade, so when you're at the sandbar hanging out, get a little extra shade, get out of the sun so you're not just getting burnt all day. Something that's amazing about this boat is underneath this forward seating section, you have a huge storage compartment for your boat covers, life jackets, water toys, whatever it might be, as well as your pass-through storage for your rods so you can get them off of the rod holders and underneath, keep them dry. This boat, super awesome, also equipped with a trolling motor plug so you can always hook one up for when you're fishing. This is an amazing boat. There's a lot more to see on it. Feel free to come by to MarineMax Venice to check more out.